Check out this 2018 Nissan NV200 Compact Cargo SV. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are cruise control, keyless entry, power door locks, power steering, power windows, daytime running lights, traction control, front-wheel drive, trip computer and brake assist. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.